friends, welcome to my channel Fun and Learn with Arian. Today is part 10 of me solving metal and wooden brain teasers. In this part, I'm going to show you guys how to solve this wooden puzzle sphere. This is how it looks like. If you want to follow along, I have posted the Amazon link in the comment section below so you can get your own puzzle box. So let's get started. Let's start by disassembling it. So what you do to disassemble it is try to push on these squares. This doesn't work, but this square works. Try pushing on the squares if it doesn't happen, but mine's happened. So when you do that, you pull out a key like this. So this is the key to the whole puzzle, as you can see. So this comes in two parts. It will be handy when you're assembling your puzzle. So the rest of the puzzle, you just need to separate it. Pull these two squares out and separate. This will just follow these two pieces. And then you push these in, and then this brown piece will come out. Then when you pull it out, pull this out, the other side, and then the rest of the puzzle just comes apart. So now we're gonna see how to assemble it. Okay, this is kind of stuck. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is have one of these big gap puzzles and have one part of the circle. Then you want to align it up like this. Then you want to take the second piece of that same like shape and put it over here. That's pretty common, so we can just put it back together if it slips. So the next thing you want to do is align this piece over here. So I think you can see clearly if I do this, like this piece over here, like sandwich on, like kind of like a sandwich. So the next step, it's easier if you put it on the ground. You want to rotate this and rotate it like this, or you can just keep it like this. Yeah, let's keep it like this. So you want to take one of these pieces, the kind of E-shaped pieces, and put it like this through the gap. Then you want to flip the puzzle over and make sure this E piece does not fall out. Then you want to take another of these E pieces and slide it down. Then you want to take one of these C pieces, but not like these C pieces, this C piece with like only one rod. And you want to put it right over here. And then you want to flip the thing over and rotate it like this. Then you want to push these two squares we've made and put this piece with the thick stem over here. And then pull it into the two squares where the gaps meet. Like this gap. So I'll show you. This gap meets these two squares. So then what the other thing you want to do is take one of these pieces and make sure the fat end is on the top and put it like this. Then you want to push these two squares like that. Then you want to take one of these pieces with like the fatter stem and put it over here. Wait, 1 minute. Okay, yeah, like that. And then pull it right like this. Then you want to take one of these pieces and, like the beginning of the video, I told you that this is the key. Now we need the key. We need to assemble the key by taking one of these pieces and this piece. You want to slide it in. And then you put the key in. That's it. You have a wooden sphere now. So that's it for part 10. stay tuned because I'm gonna post part 11, which is gonna be the final part of my series. Bye. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe.